Did you know Dubai was once a small fishing village in the desert? Now it's home to the world's tallest building and an island shaped like a palm tree. From diving with sharks in luxury hotels to exploring a garden with 150 million flowers, Dubai is full of jaw-dropping surprises. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 must-visit places in Dubai for 2024, each with its own unbelievable secrets and fascinating facts. Let's dive in. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing at an impressive 828 meters. This iconic skyscraper is a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of Dubai's rapid development. Visiting the Burj Khalifa is an absolute must for anyone coming to Dubai. Did you know that the construction of the Burj Khalifa used more than 330,000 cubic meters of concrete and 103,000 square meters of glass? That's enough concrete to fill 132 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The building also has the highest observation deck in the world on the 148th floor, offering breathtaking views of the city and beyond. Don't miss the nightly light and fountain show at the base of the tower, which is a spectacular display of water, music, and lights. Number 2. The Dubai Mall. Adjacent to the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall is not just a shopping center, it's an experience. As the largest mall in the world by total area, it offers a plethora of entertainment options, from an indoor ice rink to a massive aquarium. The Dubai Mall houses the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, which features a 10 million liter tank, home to over 140 species of marine animals, including sharks and rays. One of the lesser-known facts is that you can actually dive with these sharks if you're brave enough. The mall also features the VR Park, an indoor virtual reality theme park that provides a glimpse into the future of entertainment. Number 3. Dubai Fountain. Located in the Burj Khalifa Lake, the Dubai Fountain is the world's largest choreographed fountain system. It attracts millions of visitors every year with its mesmerizing water dance routines set to music and lights. The Dubai Fountain can shoot water up to 150 meters high, equivalent to a 50-story building. The fountain's repertoire includes a wide range of music, from classical to contemporary Arabic and world music. A fun secret is that you can take a boat ride on the lake for an up-close view of the fountain show, providing a unique and unforgettable perspective. Number 4. Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is an artificial archipelago resembling a palm tree, one of Dubai's most ambitious and iconic projects. It's home to luxurious hotels, posh residential areas, and top-notch restaurants. Did you know that the Palm Jumeirah was created using 94 million cubic meters of sand and 7 million tons of rock? The island is so large that it can be seen from space. A little-known fact is that the construction of Palm Jumeirah was a significant engineering challenge, as it required precise underwater construction and a unique breakwater to protect it from the sea. Number 5. Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a bustling waterfront district known for its stunning skyscrapers, vibrant nightlife, and luxurious yachts. It's a perfect place to enjoy a leisurely stroll, dine at fine restaurants, or take a boat tour. Dubai Marina is home to the world's tallest residential building, the Princess Tower, which stands at 413 meters. One fascinating aspect of Dubai Marina is its man-made canal, which stretches over 3 kilometers and offers beautiful views and a serene environment for visitors. Another fun fact is that the Dubai Marina's development included over 12,000 trees and shrubs to create a green, sustainable environment. Number 6. Atlantis the Palm. This luxurious resort is located on the apex of the Palm Jumeirah, and it is a world within itself. Atlantis the Palm features a water park, an aquarium, and numerous high-end restaurants and shops. The Lost Chambers Aquarium in Atlantis is themed around the mythical city of Atlantis and is home to over 65,000 marine animals. A secret for thrill seekers is that the Aquaventure water park in Atlantis has the Leap of Faith, a water slide that plunges 9 stories in mere seconds through a transparent tunnel submerged in a shark-filled lagoon. Dining at Atlantis is also a treat, with celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay and Nobu Matsuhisa having their signature restaurants here. Number 7. Dubai Miracle Garden. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a floral wonderland featuring over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning displays. It's a paradise for nature lovers and a fantastic spot for photography. The garden is home to the world's largest floral installation, a full-size Emirates A380 airplane covered in flowers. This amazing structure took 180 days to complete and required 200 tons of steel and a staggering 5 million flowers and plants. A fun secret is that the garden's designs change every season, so there's always something new to see, making each visit a unique experience. Number 8. Global Village. Global Village is a cultural and entertainment destination that showcases the best of global cultures through pavilions, food, and performances. It's like traveling around the world in a single night. Global Village hosts over 90 countries in its pavilions, each offering unique cultural experiences, handicrafts, and culinary delights. One little-known fact is that Global Village holds several world records, including the largest rock band performance, where over 70 musicians played together. The park is also famous for its vibrant carnival rides and live shows, making it a fun-filled experience for families and visitors of all ages. Number 9. Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek is a historic waterway that has been the lifeblood of the city for centuries. It divides the city into two main sections, Deira and Bur Dubai, and offers a glimpse into Dubai's rich heritage. One of the best ways to experience Dubai Creek is by taking an Abra ride, a traditional wooden boat that ferries passengers across the water. The secret is that the Dubai Creek area is home to the Al Fahidi Historic District, where you can explore traditional Arabian houses, wind towers, and narrow lanes that tell the story of Dubai's past. The Dubai Creek Tower, an upcoming landmark, is set to surpass the Burj Khalifa in height and become the tallest tower in the world, adding a modern touch to this historic area. Number 10. The Dubai Frame. The Dubai Frame is an architectural landmark that offers panoramic views of both old and new Dubai. It's designed to represent a bridge between the Emirates' past and present. The Dubai Frame stands 150 meters tall and 93 meters wide, providing visitors with a spectacular view from the sky deck. A fascinating secret is that the frame's glass bridge features a special trick. It turns from opaque to transparent as you walk on it, giving you the exhilarating feeling of walking on air. The frame also houses a museum on the ground floor, which showcases Dubai's transformation from a humble fishing village to a global metropolis. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour of Dubai. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.